I couldn't get it out. I had a little accident, and I was wondering if you clean here. Just real quick, real quick. $100 really quick.
No, you can't do it. You wash.
You change it.
I don't have wash machine. I don't have wash machine.
Throw it.
Look at it. Look. You can smell it. It smells shit.
Okay.
No?
Would you please leave it
No
here?
come out. No come out. No come out.
Throw.
Huh?
What?
You finish it.
It's shit.
No.
I can do it really quick. I'll do it quick.
No.
No, I can do it.
No, you cannot do
Please, sir, please. Eh?
it. Yeah.
Garbage? Can you throw it in garbage?
You throw it.
Okay. Please.
No.